Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to another week of analysis for the Philippine Islands and nearby areas. And this is the latest for today, Monday until Wednesday, January 10 to 12, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's proceed with our update. Here is the latest GraphSat, beginning today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. It looks like the Philippine Islands is enjoying some calm conditions, light breeze with dry conditions all across the country, with smaller chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms all throughout the country. But as we begin this week, particularly tomorrow until Wednesday, we have a renewed surge of the Northeast Monsoon, and it looks like the wake will come to a halt. And this Northeast Monsoon will dig down across Luzon and portions of the Visayas, maybe on Wednesday to Friday, but it is only a light one. Okay, but we expect some isolated to occasional rain showers with lower frequency of thunderstorms, and especially there will be a new shear line that is expected to affect the eastern sections of the country. Right now we have here a frontal system moving towards the east and a shear line, a short shear line just over the North Philippine Sea. So this new monsoon will start to bring windy conditions, moderate to rough seas, and as well as cooler conditions along the extreme northern parts of Luzon. And on Wednesday, it will move more to the south across the rest of Luzon, including Bicol region. So we could experience some cooler conditions. But right now, we're experiencing some warm weather conditions across the archipelago. And over the West Philippine Sea, we have the northeasterly surface wind flow affecting the Calayan Island group and other portions of the Spratlys. And outside of Par, it's all empty. There's no cloudiness that could pave way into a low pressure area. We have here a surface trough over to the southeast of Palau. Nothing to worry about. And so far, we are all clear for the next 5 to 10 days when it comes to tropical cyclone formation as well as development of low pressure areas. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. You could see some cloudiness, some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across the western sections of Mindanao, but these are isolated ones, nothing to worry about. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, wow, look at that. It's all clear across the archipelago except for the areas of western Mindanao because of these isolated thunderstorms. And it's better to have some beach travel, okay, going to the beach at this time of the week. But the only problem, we have the super rising surge of the Omicron variant of the COVID-19. So that's the problem. Right now, we are hitting at more than 30,000 new cases across the Philippine Islands. So hopefully, once this fast surge ends, it will abruptly die down. Okay, let's hope this will be the last wave of this pandemic, so that the rest of 2022 will be a good year to all of us. Now let's move to our rainfall forecast accumulation. This is from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. As you can see, it's all good across the country except for the extreme northern parts of Luzon, particularly the eastern coastal areas of Cagayan. We have here the Northeast Monsoon that will bring some showers over to the eastern Cagayan area, and here over the northern portions of Caraga and some portions of eastern Davao Oriental, northern Mindanao, we could have some light showers brought about by the projected or the forecast shear line that is expected to reach this area of Mindanao maybe on Wednesday. Okay, so this is for the next 3 days. So watch out for that. While the rest will have dry conditions, windy conditions with rough seas. So fishermen and those who want to travel using small boats are risky, especially for the next 3 days because of the approach of another surge of the northeast monsoon. Now here's the latest wind forecast to let you know where the monsoon is coming. So by tomorrow, here we go, here comes the surge brought about by a strong high pressure cell over north of Wuhan. So it is expected to approach the northern portions of Luzon late Tuesday until Wednesday. So Wednesday it will be affecting already Luzon and portions of the Visayas. So this is the northeast monsoon, although it's slightly weaker compared to the past few weeks. Okay, during the last week of December until the first week of January. So this is another surge, but with a weaker intensity. Okay, so that's the latest for the next 3 days. And if we take a look at the rainfall, there's nothing significant, okay, for the next 3 days, except for some light showers along the eastern sections of Luzon, eastern sections of the Bicol region, eastern sections of the Visayas, and also some portions of central and western Visayas, as well as the areas of northeastern Mindanao. And some isolated thunderstorms might form over various portions of Mindanao come Wednesday or late Wednesday. Okay, there you go. So that's it. That's the latest for this Monday until Wednesday, and we will return within the next 2 days to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mr. Typhoon at TV. That's at YouTube, and also at our Facebook page, MrTyphoon.com, for the latest information on the weather. Again, good night to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.